What's up guys, Adrian here. If you're seeing this video, it's because you and I are connected somehow, and I'm letting everybody in my friend list know that I'm doing real estate. Last year I got my real estate license because, as you guys know, I'm a natural entrepreneur and I do all kinds of things, and I want to be able to help every single one of you guys find a home, sell a home, whatever it is real estate. I want to help you out. I want to introduce you guys to my partner Buzzy here. He is taking care of the lending side of things, so you're going to be seeing a lot of him. If you know me, you're going to know him. So
that's right.
Buzzy.
Yeah. Well, let me just say to the people that you're connected with, the one thing I know to be true about this individual is he goes after things, and I don't know anybody better at finding deals than this dude. Before we made this video, he walked me to the parking lot and he showed me this car, a hybrid electric vehicle he got for $4,000. He's showing it to me. This guy knows how to find deals, and I am excited to watch him find deals for his clients in the real estate world. So if you're connected with this guy and you're thinking about making a move in real estate in the next year or month or week or 5 years, we want to say, consider your team found. If you know him, you know he works hard and he can find that deal. I trust him, he trusts me. I'm gonna earn your trust too. We would love to be the team that you use to find your next home.
One thing I tell everybody is, if I'm representing you, it's like if I'm representing myself. So speaking of deals, I'm gonna get the best deal as if it was for me. I don't pay more than I should. If I'm helping you find a home, I'm gonna negotiate it like I negotiate every business deal that I make. Same with the selling. I sell high. I buy low and sell high, so just know that I'm on your side, I'm in your corner. I appreciate the opportunity.
Yeah, we're excited to get to work with you in the next year and help you achieve all your real estate goals. We all know there is no way to build wealth faster than investing in real estate. Historically, that's just the best thing to do, and we would love to help you grow your personal net worth through real estate. So if you're interested in trying to buy a home, let Adrian know. He'll connect you with me. We'll look at your finances, see what you qualify for. As soon as we have that, Adrian's gonna help you find the home you want.
You got it.
Sweet.
Thank you guys for your time.
Let's do it.